Hi guys, I'm with Glad today and we are at resort. So ito yung napili namin kasi malapit lang sa Bards. Hindi ka nasasakay ng tricycle. Kasi ang mamahal minsan yung mga paningin nila dito. So dito na lang kami. Are you enjoying this place? It's nice place. What do you think? At saka may ano pa daw guys, may playground daw. 10 out of 10? Really? Oh, you rate the resort 10 out of 10? Why?
Because it's a playground, it's a swimming pool, it's a beach, I like everything.
Ah, because there's a playground and a swimming pool and the beach.
But especially because there's a hotel.
Because especially what?
Because especially there's a hotel.
Ah, there's a hotel. There's a holiday house. And because Mama's birthday tomorrow. Oh, sipon. Ew. I can't. Nobody's looking for that sipon. Malaki na siya for 2,000, then may free breakfast pa po siya.
Tapos alam nyo, libre na sa entrance fee.
Yung 2,000, di ba?
Hello guys.
And Glad is so
Happy.
Glad is don't want to swim. He just want to stay here.
But just figured out that we can have an internet, but we have to go outside.
Yeah.
Let me show you.
Where are you?
I'm going to show them the internet.
You're going to Mama?
Yeah, I'm going to show them.
You tell to them where's the internet.
Okay, so this is how you open the door. So guys, how are you today? Yeah, okay guys. Oh wait, no.
Unsa na?
Trying to show the guy with the internet. Guys, you see an internet?
Ayaw nilang lumabas. Ayaw nilang maligo. Gusto nila mag-staycation lang. Dili mo maligo?
Basta dili lang daw pa ko uli. Sila daw tapang uli.
So ito yung pool na exclusive para sa mga naka-check-in. So kung hindi ka naka-check-in, dito ka lang sa dagat. May pera ka pa, makaway pa tayo Davao. Nag-extend mo yung anak mo.
Pagbakas na lang dapat ng Davao.
Ano, maglangoy na lang tayo sa dagat. Langoy na lang natin yung dagat. Wow.
Stop it. Get some help.
What? Hi guys, we are outside with Glad buying some rice.
2,000 years later.
So tapos na kami sa room na to. Tapos ayaw pa umuwi ng anak namin. And parang lilipat lang kami ng room. So ito yung bagong room. Ito yung mga color rainbow room nila. And hindi na ako tinulungan.
Liwan ka sa ere ng anak mo.
Yeah, meron din. Hot and cold. Shower. Okay. Not bad. Not bad for the price. And 2 beds. Mama and Papa here. And Glad is here. It's okay with you? Mama and Papa here. And Glad there. Okay with you? Is it okay? No? So what's the no? Mama and Glad and Papa. Okay guys, and this is our third day. This is our third day here. And Glad want to make some cannonball. Okay? Let's
go.
Okay, go. Where are you? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Yun guys. Tapos na yung 2 nights and 3 days namin dito. So, balik ulit sa trabaho. Pagbalik ng Davao, kayod na naman, trabaho na naman. Ganun lang. Diba, ang lapit lang ng Bards. Hindi ka nasasakay ng tricycle. Mas tipid. Bye-bye! Say bye-bye.